Everybody wants to be the boss. One little video, everybody wants to be in it. Everybody wants to be a celebrity. Today's video is sponsored by Yita Motors, that's Y-I-T-A Motors on Amazon, and they have sponsored a set of crossbar mounts for the top of the SUV. We're gonna go ahead and unbox these, get them installed on the Yukon. We'll see how difficult or easy the installation is. Shouldn't take too long. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, now as you can see there's a lot of dust on top of this box, and I'm just gonna go ahead and say that their customer service is spectacular. So they sent me this right before I had to go to the hospital, and it's been several weeks. It's been sitting here, and I told them, I said, hey, I had a setback due to my health, and I can't install them right now. Gotta wait till I get better. They said, no problem. Whenever you're good, we're good. So as far as customer service, I say it's top notch. Not many companies are going to send you something and just let you sit on it, but they've done that. So thank you again for your patience. Let's go and get this thing opened and see what's inside. All right, looks like everything's packaged very nicely. Everything's wrapped up. Wow, look at that. A nice set of instructions. You don't see that very often. Wow. So you'll be using a T30 for your installation hardware. That's nice. If they do include that with the packaging. They even have a customer service number. Man, this is hard. Wow. I'm quite impressed already. I'm not going to lie. That is impressive. Usually you got to go Google or, you know, click some little, one of these little symbols to try to get some help, but customer service is right there. Got some brackets here, more brackets, and the crossbars. So I think there's only one other thing that I'll need that I don't see here. Let's go take a look at the vehicle and see what we're going to need to remove. Got a little flathead screw in those plugs, so you'll need to remove those depending on the location of where you're going to put your crossbars. I'm going to go take a look at what will be potentially sitting on top of here. Do a quick measurement and determine which ones I'm going to use. So this is the tool that you will need to get those screws out of the top of your luggage rack rails. Pretty simple, just flathead, and it'll take the plugs out. Then you can go ahead and get ready to install your bars. Just kidding, it's not a screw, it's a plug. So just need something like this and you can get them out. Alright. I'm going to get the rest of them knocked on out. Alright, so I went ahead and unwrapped the contents here of the box. Your rails are marked which position goes to the front of the vehicle. And this is nice, really nice quality. I mean, this is a heavy piece of metal here. I'm assuming it's probably some sort of die cast or aluminum. But yes, nice part, and they are painted all throughout. Your crossbars have a max carrying weight of 165 pounds or 75 kilos. So I'd say combined weight's probably double that, would be my guess. And they are painted, coated as well. And then there's a rubber insert at the top that will keep your cargo or whatever you're carrying from getting damaged. That's nice. Inside this bag there are two Allen keys, one smaller one, one larger one. The larger one's for installing the screws into the roof of the vehicle, and the smaller one is for assembling these rails to their brackets. Some small screws there that will allow you to, once you back those out, you can slide this piece in there like so, and then put the screws back in. We're going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll mount them to the vehicle. We'll slide that over like so, leaving your holes exposed. That gives you some adjustment on the width of your mounting rails. My recommendation is just snug them up. You don't want to get them too tight, just in case you need to make an adjustment on the vehicle. It will be a lot easier to make an adjustment if you don't have them too tight, so you can just get in there, slide underneath the rail, tighten them up once you get it where you want it at on your vehicle. Once you get them started by hand, just going to run them in with the Allen key. You want it just tight enough where you can do that. That way once you get on the vehicle, if you need to make an adjustment, you can easily do that as you're mounting the holes here in the side. I'm going to go ahead and install the other 3 of these, and then we'll get it mounted on the vehicle. One more note before I get on the roof. On the opposite side of this bar, the slots are smaller than on the front side. You see this one continuous slot, it's got 2 slots. So on this side, you can go ahead and tighten these all the way down because this is not positionable like the other side. So you can go ahead and tighten these all the way nice and snug with your Allen key. Now we're going to go ahead up on the top of the vehicle and get these installed. So you're going to take your Allen key and your bolt, slide the bolt through the hole of the rail assembly into the holes on the top rail of your vehicle, like this. Go ahead and just test one to make sure we got the correct fitment, and we do, like so. So it goes through your rail, right down into the hole, like butter. Wow, great fitment there. You're going to continue this process for the other 7 fasteners, 2 on each one. My recommendation is you just start the 2 on one side and then go to the other side and get those other 2 in. You don't want to over tighten anything, because if you do that, then that reduces your ability to get the other side in. Now while I'm on this side of the vehicle, I'm going to go ahead and get these other ones back here at the back. I'm going to go ahead and install the 2 on this side. Sorry for the wind noise, the wind's picking up out here. We'll hop over to the other side and go ahead and get those in. And when we get these in on the other side, we'll go ahead and tighten those up. Alright, the crossbars are mounted up top. Installation is pretty simple. Those do look good. Full pan around for you guys there. I'm gonna go grab my cargo carrier. We'll throw it up top and see how it sits on top of the rails. As you'll see on this vehicle, I have the rails towards the back. My reason for that, as you'll see here very shortly, is that the cargo carrier is pretty lengthy, and I wanted to make sure it did not cover the sunroof, which is up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that up there and show you guys position wise where I've got the rails at. You can choose the place that is applicable for your best location and that will work best for your setup. I chose this location, but you can put them anywhere. Alright, there we have the cargo carrier in place. I'll get up close here and show you. We still have clearance for the sunroof. I really couldn't move it any further forward just because of where the placement of the holes in the rail are up there. So there you have it. Those are the crossbars on the Yukon XL. So whether you're mounting up a cargo carrier, your surfboard, some skis to go skiing in the alpine, snowboard, something like that, these things are very user friendly and universal. You can put them just about anywhere on the vehicle. Color even matches the OEM color of the side rails, which is pretty impressive. Do highly recommend these. I definitely see why these have a 4.5-star review. Good quality, easy installation, good customer service. What more could you ask for? Thanks again, Yita Motors, for sending me these to review. There's also a promo code down in the description below. Get you a discount when you go check out their store. Thanks for watching this video. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about the crossbars, if it's something that you would consider putting on your vehicle. Until next time, my name's Erwin. This is Thrills in a Block. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you soon.